Wow. That is so much better, Donna.
They ride now, you get trail horses? They're not set for that.
Yeah.
How is he if you put it up by his head?
I'll do it. We'll see. He'll do this.
Oh, yeah.
Get off his ears.
Mm-hmm.
That's it.
Is the voice on too, Peggy?
Yep. Oh, I don't know. Mine is. I assume yours is.
It's recording, but okay.
We did this for quite a while. Right?
Wow. Yeah. That's great.
You don't know them like that across the years.
I wouldn't like it either, Larry. That's great.
Oh, good. Good job, Larry. Good job, Yuma. He probably thinks that feels kind of good now.
Huh?
He probably thinks that feels kind of good now.
Well, what feels good to him is he's not having to run.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, see, that's the ticket. Yeah, he is that too. He's trying to get one side of you.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
That's good for the offside, yeah.
We'll get it all even out.
Yeah.
The other thing is to come up to the bottom.
Hmm.
And getting the movement too.
Is that because he's aggravated?
Huh?
Is that because he's aggravated?
No, he's scared.
Oh, just
He's
scared.
scared.
Yuma.
Look at that. That's great.
Huh?
How steady he is now.
Yeah.
Really good.
He doesn't.
Yeah. It's a slack rope, too.
Yeah.
It's a pretty Appaloosa behind him there.
What this thing means, it's blinking in the front of my camera.
Okay.